alarm clocks. They're ineffective, traumatizing, and they make me late to school every single day. Why? Because you can just hit the snooze and go back to sleep. So, I have an idea. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Tech Joyce, how do you plan to do that? Do not question my abilities. Now, did I spend over $100 just to get this Raspberry Pi 5 for this dumb little video? Absolutely! So first, I grabbed my Raspberry Pi and started coding my Python program, and after hours of hard work and dedication and hard work and blood, sweat, and tears, we got it working. Then I wired everything up and I waited patiently for my air compressor to pressurize. For all the nerds watching, here's a quick little explanation. This is a Raspberry Pi 5. It's basically a small computer. Well, 3 inches. I think it's kind of big. You got your CPU, your RAM, Wi-Fi module, GPIO pins, Ethernet, USB ports, micro HDMI ports for monitors, and at the back you got a micro SD card slot which you run your operating system on. And of course your USB-C port for power. So you can program this Raspberry Pi with Python to control the GPIO headers, which is what I'm doing. But you can also do a lot of other things like building a smart mirror or just hosting servers. I'm no expert, but I do have experts on my Discord server. So you know, if you guys want to join. So with the mini HDMI adapter, you can connect this to a monitor and bam! So awesome, so cool. So here's the script I made, and isn't this just so awesome, guys? So basically, I have this relay module wired up to the Raspberry Pi, and a relay is basically a switch that is controlled by electrical signals. So on the side, we have a normally closed side and a normally open side. So when an electrical signal is sent, the contact is pulled from the normally closed side to the normally open side. So this relay is basically connected in a series circuit with this power supply supplying power to this pneumatic solenoid valve. And when this pneumatic solenoid valve is applied 24 volts, it switches the flow of air going into it. So with my pneumatic cylinder connected, it will extend and retract over and over again. What am I doing with my life? Okay, so using SSH, I can remotely access my Raspberry Pi. So let's try to run the program from my laptop. 3, 2, 1. Put up! It's working! It's working! You think this will wake me up in the morning? Yes. So with all this plugged in and set up, it's time to test it. Okay, alright. Was that worth it? Yes, that was absolutely worth it because now I can wake up in the morning and I won't fall back asleep. If you guys made it this far into the video, comment down below, nice clock, bro. Nice clock, bro. Nice cock. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I lost 10 years of my life making this video. For my next video, I'm gonna make an invention that shoves this up your ass.